Have you ever wondered why some days your mind feels sharp, focused, and productive, while on other days even simple tasks feel exhausting? Why can you concentrate deeply for a few hours, but then suddenly your brain feels tired and distracted? The answer lies in something called mental energy. Just like your body has physical energy, your brain also has a limited amount of energy it can use for thinking, decision-making, and focusing. In this video, we'll explore the science of mental energy, how your brain uses it, why it gets drained, and how you can protect and recharge it. Your brain uses a lot of energy. Your brain is only about 2% of your body's weight, but it consumes nearly 20% of your body's total energy. This energy mainly comes from glucose and oxygen carried through your bloodstream. Every thought, decision, and memory require tiny electrical signals between billions of neurons. These signals require energy. That means thinking, learning, focusing, and solving problems are actually biological processes that cost energy. When your brain uses too much energy for too long, it naturally begins to feel tired. Decision fatigue. One of the biggest drains on mental energy is decision-making. Psychologists call this phenomenon decision fatigue. Every decision you make throughout the day uses small amounts of mental energy. For example, choosing what to wear, deciding what to eat, responding to messages, planning tasks, solving problems. Individually, these decisions feel small, but together they slowly drain your mental resources. This is why people often feel mentally exhausted by the end of the day. The role of the prefrontal cortex. A major part of your brain responsible for mental energy is the prefrontal cortex. This area controls focus, self-control, decision-making, planning, and problem-solving. When the prefrontal cortex works for long periods without rest, it becomes less efficient. This leads to common experiences like difficulty concentrating, poor decisions, increased procrastination, and mental fatigue. Your brain is simply running low on available cognitive resources. Why distractions drain your brain? Many people think multitasking helps productivity, but neuroscience shows the opposite. Every time your attention shifts from one task to another, your brain must reconfigure neural networks. This switching process consumes mental energy. Frequent distractions from notifications, social media, and messages constantly force your brain to switch tasks. As a result, your mental energy gets drained much faster. The brain needs recovery. Just like muscles need rest after exercise, the brain also needs recovery time. Activities that help restore mental energy include sleep, physical movement, quiet breaks, time in nature, mindfulness, or meditation. During sleep especially, the brain clears metabolic waste and restores important neural processes. Without proper rest, mental fatigue builds up quickly. How to protect your mental energy. Understanding mental energy allows you to manage it more wisely. Some effective strategies include prioritizing your most important work early in the day, reducing unnecessary decisions, limiting distractions, taking short breaks between deep work sessions, and maintaining healthy sleep habits. These simple changes can dramatically improve your ability to focus and think clearly. To summarize, mental energy is one of your brain's most valuable resources. Every thought, decision, and task draws from this limited supply. When you learn how your brain manages energy, you can structure your day in a way that supports focus, productivity, and mental clarity. Because productivity isn't about forcing your brain to work harder. It's about learning how to work with your brain's natural energy system. Subscribe to Psych Academy for more psychology and neuroscience videos that help you understand how your brain really works.